Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Microsoft account login issues or user account control problems by editing a registry key called enable LUA. So let's get right into it. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the search bar and then simply search for registry editor and then tap onto it. So in this registry editor, you want to go ahead and simply expand high key local machine. Inside here, go ahead and expand software. Inside software, go ahead and simply expand Microsoft. Now inside Microsoft, you want to scroll down and expand Windows. Now inside Windows, you want to go ahead and simply expand current version. And inside here, you want to go ahead and simply expand policies. Now click on system folder and inside here, look for enable LUA. Go ahead and simply tap onto it and you want to make sure the value data is set to 1. If it's set to 0 or something else, simply change to 1 and then click on OK. And then, after making changes, simply restart your PC and this should resolve issues related to Microsoft account login, UAC not working, or other system access problem. And that's it, a simple registry tweak to fix login or permission issues on Windows. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.